Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best LEGO Sets is probably one of the most anticipated Marvel Cinematic Universe releases in recent memory, bringing the mind-bending multiverse and iconic characters to life in brick form, and today we're diving deep into the Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness LEGO sets to see which ones are truly worth adding to your collection, offering fans a chance to recreate epic scenes and display their favorite heroes and villains. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Inside, you'll find the iconic cafe studio along with all your favorite characters. Recreate memorable scenes with the included minifigures and their cool accessories. This 1070-piece set offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's the perfect gift for any fan of the show, providing hours of solo or shared fun. It's compatible with your existing LEGO collection. Mix and match bricks and characters to create your own unique stories and mash-up models. This vibrant set measures over 4 inches high and 11 inches wide. It's designed to make a big impression, whether displayed in your room or office. What we like. If you're a fan of the classic Friends TV show, this set is a must-have. It recreates the iconic Central Perk Cafe with incredible detail and includes all your favorite characters. If you love nostalgia and want a display piece that sparks joy and conversation, this is the one for you. What people say. The Scarlet Witch minifigure is incredibly detailed, capturing her look from the movie perfectly. The build itself is sturdy and looks great on display, with several nice play features like the opening roof on the Sanctum Sanctorum. Includes a good selection of minifigures, especially the exclusive America Chavez and Defender Strange figures. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures of the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child. An IG-11 droid figure is also included for even more fun. This starship is equipped for adventure, featuring a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod. Get ready for thrilling play scenarios. The cargo hold boasts opening side boarding ramps for effortless access. Inside, you'll find carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area. Recreate the thrilling battles from the Mandalorian and the Child's adventures. The included weapons add to the excitement as you face off against enemies. This collectible LEGO Star Wars set is an ideal birthday present or any-day gift. It's perfect for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. What we like. For the ultimate Star Wars and Mandalorian fan, this Razor Crest set is an absolute dream. It features a detailed ship with play features and includes the beloved child, Baby Yoda. If you're looking for an exciting build that lets you recreate epic scenes from the series, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Scarlet Witch minifigure is a standout, with intricate details and her signature headdress. The build itself is sturdy and offers good playability, especially with the included accessories like the Darkhold. Doctor Strange's cape is a new design element and looks fantastic on the minifigure. Number 3. LEGO Super Mario Nintendo Entertainment System 71374. Relive the golden age of gaming with this incredible LEGO recreation of the Nintendo Entertainment System. It's a nostalgic build for adult fans of classic video games. This set features a TV that displays the classic Super Mario Bros. Game. You can even interact with it using a LEGO Mario figure. Every detail of the original NES console has been meticulously recreated in LEGO bricks. It includes a controller and a slot for the buildable game pack. Turn the handle to scroll the screen and watch your LEGO Mario figure react to on-screen enemies and power-ups. It's an interactive experience like no other. To activate the set's interactive features, you'll need to combine it with the LEGO Mario figure from the Adventure Starter Course. Get ready for some fun. It comes complete with a cable, plug, and a channel knob, just like the real thing. The realistic locking function is sure to delight any Super Mario Bros. fan. Once built, this impressive model makes a fantastic display item. It's a great way to showcase your love for both LEGO and classic gaming. What we like. Step back in time with this incredible Nintendo Entertainment System set. It not only builds a classic NES console and TV but also offers interactive gameplay with a LEGO Mario figure. If you're a retro gaming enthusiast or a Super Mario fan who loves unique, interactive builds, this set offers a truly special experience. What people say. The Scarlet Witch minifigure is incredibly detailed, capturing her look from the movie perfectly. The build itself is sturdy and looks great on display, with some clever building techniques used for the architecture. Includes several key characters from the film, making it a great set for fans of Doctor Strange and the Multiverse storyline. Number 2. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man Attack on the Spider Lair 76175. Step into the ultimate headquarters for any teenage superhero. This is the first ever LEGO version of the Web-Slinger's high-tech base, packed with incredible features. Inside, you'll find everything needed for epic adventures. It includes iconic minifigures, a computer, gaming consoles, and even a training area. Imagine joining Spider-Man as he plays games in his HQ. But when villains attack, it's time to use all the amazing equipment to save the day. Looking for an amazing gift? This set is ideal for Marvel fans aged 8 and up who want a truly special LEGO experience. This spectacular headquarters measures over 5 inches high and 16 inches long. It also easily connects with other LEGO Marvel Spider-Man sets for even more fun. What we like. Calling all young Marvel and Spider-Man fans. This set brings the Web-Slinger's high-tech headquarters to life, complete with cool gadgets and iconic villains. If you're looking for a dynamic play experience where you can defend the HQ and create your own superhero adventures, this is the ultimate set for you. What people say. The Scarlet Witch minifigure is highly detailed, capturing her look from the movie. The buildable America Chavez minifigure is a great addition, and her star-shaped powers are well represented. The set includes the iconic Book of Vishanti, which is a nice touch for fans of the movie. Number 1. LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop 10270. Step into a world of creativity with this advanced LEGO Creator Expert modular building set. It's a bookshop with an adjoining townhouse, packed with surprising details for builders of all ages. This impressive 3-story set features a display window, bookshelves, a cozy reading nook, and living spaces. 5 minifigures are included to bring this collector's toy to life. Part of the ever-growing modular building series, this set combines with others to create amazing street scenes. It's a perfect addition for builders and collectors. With 2,504 pieces, this building set makes an inspirational gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's designed for ages 16 and up. Standing over 11 inches high, this buildable model is an impressive display piece. It looks fantastic on its own or as part of a larger street scene. What we like. For the dedicated LEGO collector and builder, this bookshop set is a masterpiece. It's part of the highly sought-after modular building series, offering intricate details and a charming aesthetic. If you appreciate advanced building techniques and want to expand your LEGO city with a beautiful, display-worthy structure, this set is an excellent addition. What people say. The Scarlet Witch minifigure is a standout piece with intricate details, capturing her powerful presence. The build quality of the Sanctum Sanctorum is impressive, with clever building techniques used to create its iconic facade. Includes several key characters from the movie, allowing for accurate scene recreation and imaginative play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.